My garage spring is still broken, so I still have to raise it up every morning. The SEMA prep continues. Today we're gonna install a mod that's gonna make my car drive very, very good. Today we're gonna install new suspension that's gonna really dial in my car and make it drive exactly the way I want it. We are gonna be installing AST 5300 three-way coilovers.
RACECAR?
Supra and BMWs come with a divorce coilover setup in the rear. Today we're gonna go to a true coilover setup where the shock and the spring are one unit and it's three-way adjustable. Rebound, high-speed compression, low-speed compression, and obviously height as well. We're gonna go meet up with Addison and get this thing installed. Let's go. SEMA is about 4 or 5 weeks away, and my Supra is gonna be there. It's every guy's dream, every car guy's dream to have their car at SEMA one time, and this year is my year, I guess. We've already started the prep, and there's a lot of parts to install. We just recently got the CSF intake manifold, and there's gonna be a lot of changes to the engine bay. The engine bay is gonna look absolutely clean, and the first step was doing the CSF intake manifold, because after SEMA, eventually I'd like to go big turbo. I just also want to give a special shout out to my buddies over at Terox. They were the ones that connected me with all these amazing companies and has given me the opportunity to be at SEMA. I won't be at the Terox booth, but I will be at another booth, and I will announce which booth I will be at eventually.
Somebody told you that they know me, then they told you it's a story. Keep my business on the low key.
We just made it to Addison's shop. We want to make this install as fast as possible. Instead of doing it on the quick jacks at home, we're using a lift today. Shout out to you, Addison. So, as I said, today we're going to go ahead and install the AST 5300 coilovers, which is a true rear coilover setup. It has these reservoirs that allow you to dial in the compression, high speed and low speed. If you get two-way suspension, you can only dial in the compression in general, not the whole speed, high speed and low speed. The rebound right here, and then obviously the height. These are dream coilovers of mine. Never thought that I'd be able to install such high quality coilovers like this, but it's all thanks to you guys. It's thanks to social media. If you guys ever considered vlogging or creating content on your build, the opportunity is endless. I'm telling you, start now. Holy moly. We just unboxed the coilovers and take a look at these. This is so sick. And the reservoirs are quick disconnects. These are the fronts. You have the camber plates up top. Then you have the rears, true rear coilovers. Car's on the lift, so my 30-year-old back doesn't have to get messed up. Woo!
Did it fall in the drain?
It fell in the drain, bro. No way. It's just a 10. No way, bro. No way. The first bolt.
This used to be a detail bay.
No way.
That's hella fun.
There's a freaking drain right under the lift, and it fell in the drain. Can't see where you're at, but let's get our Shab's reaction.
Oh, are these external reservoirs?
Yes.
Yup.
Dude, what?
RACECAR.
On all four corners?
Yes.
Race car shit.
Alright, Noah, get over here.
God.
You almost done with your work? God damn. Hey, you got it?
Yeah, doing this one at home would have sucked.
Oh, yeah.
For sure.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That dad strength right there.
This was a puto doing it at home. Just go in front of the camera before we saw it. Hold this up and be like, race car? I'm gonna hold this one, I'm like, no race car.
RACECAR?
No race car.
We're gonna have to spread it more to get it in there.
Yep. Yeah, it's going in.
Yep.
That's what she said.
Let's get the house.
Couple hours later. Just kidding, maybe like 45 minutes, but goddamn, we finally got the first one in. How you feeling right now, Addy?
I'm good. Race car.
Race car. Got the coilovers in. Oh, we need a shop at the house, or we need a shop.
I know.
Because this is game changer.
So easy.
I almost did this at home, and then
No.
Addy was like, no.
I told him he can do it himself if he's doing it at home.
After we're done with this engine bay, it's gonna look freaking sick. Let's show a little bit of go. We're probably gonna mount them to the front like that.
Right in there.
Rears, we're gonna try to get it on the cage. We don't know how we're gonna do that yet or route it through, but this engine.
We're gonna cut some holes.
Dude, the reservoir set up in the front engine bay is gonna be fire, dude. All right, next we are gonna go ahead and remove the rear suspension. Dude, this angle's sick with the lift.
Oh, because I took the one off the lower first.
Oh shit, bro, I thought it snapped, bro. I thought it snapped. We got the front coilovers installed, the rears, we're putting back on the brakes, but it is break time and we're meeting up with the homies to try a new noodle spot that everybody's been wanting to try. Look who finally woke up.
What's up, y'all? I just got out of bed 40 minutes ago.
It's 1 o'clock. Dude, just imagine how cool it would be if we had our own shop.
Terox, hit me up.
I know you have an F-Series brake kit. The homies need one. Imagine if the whole crew is rocking Terox.
I love that Jim Bob changes parts like every week. I was like, wasn't there a different hood last week?
Yeah, I got that hood now. Parent hood.
You're also from Chicago. So.
Hey. How was the car meet today?
It was pretty cool.
Was it the Mill Creek car?
Sir.
Look how big that bowl is. Yeah, I didn't realize the chassis was going to be that big, and we all ordered extra. How was it?
Oh, good.
Oh my God, we're about to go ham on this.
All right, so what do you do?
Just got done eating. What the heck? And 2 random cars outside. Fire. Oh my God. Dude, look at this. Fender exit. That is fire, dude.
Hey, pop the hood.
Is this still running the FA20?
Pop the hood.
Or no?
Oh! 2 JZ engine, no shh.
He's like, no, That was too fucking funny. Holy shit, dude. Whoa. Oh my God. Dude, it looks so good. Oh my God. Oh. Ooh, the Recaros. I love the inserts too. Oh my God. But damn. I need to get myself a P car one day. Oh. Sheesh. Good lunch.
All right, back to the shop. Let's work on your fake one.
Oh.
Give me a call. Thank you. Bye.
All right, and
Last night was the last time that I saw you.
we got the suspension on. Now we're just gonna torque up the bolts on the control arm. All right, well, we're underneath the car. Let's see what kind of damage I've done to the arcade titanium exhaust. Oh, look at how flat this thing is.
Oh,
But no holes. That thing's strong as hell.
There it is.
Hey, that wasn't that bad. 100 pounds. Oh, easy peasy. And then that other one is. Good thing I saved the torque specs. I've done this so many times. The suspension's almost done. We're gonna dial in the fitment and do race car shit. Yeah, we're good. Holy, the rears are oh, god damn, the fronts are crazy, the rears are talking.
Fucking perfect.
Nah, bro. I gotta go up a little, bro. This side is too crazy. Look at this.
That's literally track spec. That's perfect.
That's dunk spec, bro. There's no way. My finger. There's no way.
You don't know nothing about this life, brother.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh yeah, press the brake all the way down.
All right, she's off of S&Q, but we took her around.
Thought you wanted to go to SEMA.
Bro, chill, dude. I could adjust the height when I'm in the rear a little bit when I'm home, but she's super stiff compared to the KW V3s, so I don't think I'm gonna have any issues at rubbing at all, but we'll see when we drive it today. All right, Raymond, thanks for hanging out.
Moral support.
Yes, sir. Thanks for coming. Thank you. You know when your friend helps you install mods?
Hold me.
You torqued that down yet?
Careful. I'm
That was wild.
No, you gotta torque it down, you know?
Whoa.
I'm uploading the wrong channel here, bro.
Up for the link though.
Yeah.
Swipe up for the link.
Yeah, we got feet on there if you want. Okay. All right. It's a tight one. We like those. All right, close it out.
I'm gonna close it out in the car when I do a test drive. We're gonna do a test drive.
Keep moving forward.
All right. Hopefully we torqued everything down, huh? I'm about to if anything happens, it's gonna be on the GoPro. All right, we got a chassis code because I unplugged the EDC module. We're just gonna go ahead and code it out because there was nowhere to mount it on the new coilovers. And you're able to code them out now, so. Right off the rip, it does feel a little bit stiffer already, like going over bumps and stuff. And it's not as soft, the rear is not as soft as the KW V3, so I'm super happy about that. Because whenever we used to do like tollgate driving or in the mountains, taking fast turns, it would always squat. My splitter would always hit in the front. So I'm wondering if it's gonna be hitting anymore. 650 pounds in the front, 600 pound springs in the rear. The coilovers feel really good. They're a lot more stiffer, which I'm okay with. We went over a bunch of bumps, and honestly, the car didn't really bounce as much as it used to before. Now, the V3s did bounce a lot, but they were very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. I'm pretty sure like on a long road trip with these coilovers, it's gonna hurt my back eventually, but for the track, it's gonna be absolutely perfect. I mean, I could already tell making turns, it's gonna be a lot sharper. I'm just really hoping we torqued everything down. That's the one thing that scares me the most. Whenever we torqued everything down, I just really hope everything is torqued down. But right off the rip, oh my God. I'm extremely happy, and we still have to dial it. I left everything exactly how it was set, which was like, I think the high speed compression was set at 7, low speed was set at 5, rebound was set at 5. Everything was set exactly in the middle. All right, so we made it back home. A couple days have passed, and we were actually rushing to get the coilovers on because it took longer than expected at the shop. Addison, thank you again. Right now, I'm just adjusting the coilovers and the height because the rear is freaking low. I scrape every time I get into the garage now, and I used to not do that. There's a locking Allen key right here, and all you have to do is twist it. I was able to do it by hand. I didn't need to use a spanner wrench, but this system makes it so easy to adjust. I love it so much. You can actually adjust the end link collars as well. I did not know that, and yeah, I just set it all the way to the bottom because I don't know what I'm doing. And when I get alignment, if it needs to get adjusted, it will be. So this is the rear coilover. It is a true coilover system now and not divorced, so you don't have this the spring and the helper spring right there. It actually looks really empty. With the reservoirs, I was not able to mount them into the trunk because we couldn't figure out a way to route them without making a hole. I need to do more research because eventually I want to have like collars right here and route the reservoirs somewhere inside the trunk. But for now, I don't know what to do. Right now they're mounted back here. I just zip tied them to a plastic panel. I am honestly so deep into this that I don't want to remove the panel to show you how I did it. But it's zip tied there and it's secure. Right now in the front, I actually got them zip tied to the front. I got a strut bar, super excited to show you guys it, but I need to find a mounting solution. So if anybody knows a mounting solution for reservoirs to make it clean, I would really appreciate, because for this build, there are no corners being cut. Although this is gonna be my track car one day and take a beating, I want the best of the best. I want it to look the best of the best for now until I mess it up. For the daily driving and for the car meets, definitely overkill, but the ultimate purpose of this car, even after SEMA, is to be the track car. And the next car will probably be the cruiser. But yeah, super, super excited to have AST coilovers. Thank you, AST, for sending these out. And Cohen, you are the man. The SEMA prep continues. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.